Hey, good morning. It's Bruce at Buckeye Door Sales again. Hey, we did a job yesterday that I think you're really going to like. Now, it makes me think of curb appeal. Now, you can have a beautiful home and you can have a nice door, but maybe that door is from the 80s or maybe even the 90s, and you want to upgrade a little bit to make your home more appealing from the curb. Uh, we know doors are expensive, so it's important that you take your time to choose the door that's right for you. Now, let me show you just the job that we just did and see what you think about it. So you see, a front door can really make a difference in the curb appeal of your home. Come home to a door that you like, a door that you're proud of, that makes it feel comfortable to you when you open that front door. We can help you with that. So just reach out to us here at Buckeye Door Sales and we'll give you some ideas. Thanks for watching. And if you can, please like, share, subscribe, and even comment. Let us know what you think of the projects that we do. And if there's something in particular that you want us to show and to talk about, let us know. And we'll try to work it in. Again, thanks for watching.